Want to set up a temporary door override to card only access and then seamlessly restore it back to the original schedule? You can on Avigilon Unity Access. Here's how. From the Avigilon Unity Access homepage, click the Physical Access tab and then choose Global Actions. Create a card only global action on the door by clicking the Add Global Action button. Fill in the name field, then select Door Mode from the Type drop down menu. In the subtype menu, select Card Only. The priority option is checked by default. Leaving this enabled will ensure your override is not interrupted by scheduled door mode changes. Add the doors you wish to affect by selecting the door in the available window, and then clicking the right arrow button to move it to the members window. Then click Save. You'll also need to create a Restore Schedule action for the door by clicking the Add Global Action button, adding a name, selecting Door Mode from the Type drop down menu, and Restored from the Subtype menu. It is good practice to leave the priority checkbox enabled. This way, the door will always be restored to normal operations. Make sure you move the same doors you wish to affect to the members window as those selected in the card only global action. Then click Save. To activate the card only door mode, click the Execute button. When you're ready to return the door to its original schedule, click the Execute button on the Restore door mode. For more information on how to create a card-only schedule, click the link in the description below or visit support.avigilon.com. And for more Avigilon videos, subscribe to this channel.